went to Geelong Motorsport Complex.
Hey. Today we are going head to head. Personally, I think I'm winning. It all comes down to this. Who takes it home?
Alright, you got this, bro.
Bro, that is a horrible.
That was my bad. We are back and we are starting our own mini series. Last weekend, I took on my first competitor.
Oh, Jesus.
Perfect entry, mate. Perfect, good form. We had a little head-to-head battle on the weekend. The office workers versus the mechanic workers. We don't have a name for it yet, so comment down below what you reckon we should call it.
For the first challenge, we went to Geelong Motorsport Complex. We did 5 layouts. Whoever gets the fastest time gets the win.
Go wrong direction, DNF.
Right to jail.
You hit a car in 5 seconds.
Right to jail.
Pretty sure I won.
I'm pretty sure I won. Anyway, enjoy.
TJ signed in. I'm signed in.
We're signed in. Some very funny looking drift tracks.
I mean, this one always gave me headaches.
I can understand why that would give you a headache. But yes, today we are going head to head. PJ versus Mungie. Media Reet versus Munkus.
Yeah. On the red corner. Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna go see how quickly we can turn in circles.
First layout we're doing is called the bowler. Gonna start from the garage on the right. I'm gonna go do.
Yeah, so
easy. And also, if you hit a flag,
right to jail.
If you overshoot a garage,
jail.
Skip to me going all 4 wheels locked through, straight through the garage.
Please don't wreck my front tires.
Flat 8008.
No.
Straight onto the gravel.
But
Let's
anyways,
have some fun. Let's see if we can't make some giggles out of this. Woo! Go Mungie! I believe in you, buddy.
Alright, you got this, bro. I've already forgot the layout. Yep.
I'm 99% sure that he just went the wrong way. So suck shit. Worst time plus 5 seconds. You suck, Mungie.
Go the right way this time, Mungie. 1, go! Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Mungie. He's just taking it easy on me. He's giving me a chance because he went the wrong way twice in a row.
Come on, Mungie.
What did you do?
To be fair, I had no coffee this morning.
Oh, blame it on the caffeine. Get a Red Bull in you and maybe you remember the next one. I'm talking all this shit, but I'm definitely gonna forget which way to go. So hopefully don't eat my words, but anyway.
Just envision the win.
I was killing it. All one gear, one singular gear. I've never driven this car before, so it's gonna be interesting, but it should be fun.
See, I'm so nice, I'm even telling him how to drive the thing.
Yeah, like, exactly. And I'll give him tips on the layout.
All right, whatever. You gotta close your eyes and do it. That's better.
How far do you turn the wheel to turn the wheel?
Turn.
I've got no idea. It's such a.
You gotta use your race car driver instincts, bro.
I'm trying to envision success. I can see me whooping your ass.
Oh god, here we go.
It's like an episode of Top Gear.
Yeah, pretty much. Captain Slow.
I'm the Stig.
No.
Can I just go whenever? Alright.
All's going well.
Sorry about that. This car feels funny. When I'm ready, alright.
Nicely done.
That's almost like trying to drift as fast as you physically can on a very small track.
That is pretty much what you're doing.
Well, that was interesting. Definitely feels a lot more tight than my car does. This would be amazing to drift on a track.
Hint, hint, not happening.
It feels so much better than my car, basically.
I would hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you've done well. So it looks like you got the first round.
Yeah, definitely took the first one home. I just got to push the car as physically
Yeah, you just got to push it a little bit.
But it's hard to like push it with grip and not just wada.
Yeah, but that's the fun part. Like you got to find actual limit, not just like go past it and another 10%. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, sweet. Shall we head over to the next layout, shall we?
Yeah, that's it.
Munjo Norris out here. The stakes are high. It's competition time. Today I'm taking it home. I'm gonna make Munchie cry today. That's scary. That was a really good run right there, and that's going to be slightly difficult for me to beat. Hey, mate,
Wrong direction.
why did I let you remember the bloody map? It looked dangerous. I should have been distracting you while you were doing all your little meditation. Yeah, exactly. It's on. Get strapped back into the cockpit. Neck's feeling strong. We're on. Take out all cones. Destroy all cones. I'm no grip driver.
I can tell like you're getting more and more throttle for no reason. That's why, okay, he's getting a bit impatient now. But on a bright side, I won this round. In your face.
I see.
Yeah.
I'll be coming back for you next time. What a rig. What even is this?
Yeah, is that EL? Is that EL?
Yeah. But what a beast. Jason, we need our very own Keep It Reet, Julie,
Tow
whatever. Straight out of the broken glove box, classic Commodore things.
Leave my broken glove box out of this.
Would you like?
Yeah, hell yeah. It's healthy. It's good for us. Fruit salad, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's good. So we've gone from, I think that was our first layout, nice and simple, nothing too crazy. Then second, slightly more difficult, and then we get into like that, which is a bit more hectic, and then that one I'm not so excited about, and that one I'm also not so excited about. About to ramp up.
yeah.
Competition.
And I feel like we're gonna run our tire by the time we do this one. Like,
Oh, yeah.
What tyres? You see that? Like,
Yeah, 100%. We're gonna keep on going. Might munch on a couple more of these beautiful lollies. and then-
Salad, not lollies.
Yeah, health.
Good for you.
Health. Alright, pressure's on. I've got a really kooky layout and I'm first up. Am I supposed to be in that side? What's that? Am I
Yeah,
supposed
the
to be in
green
that side now?
side.
Yeah, my bad, mate. Wrong side. Yes!
Jesus.
Fear.
Oh, well.
Tremble in fear, Mungie.
Oh,
I
here
don't
we
even be able to
go.
remember this one.
Alrighty, let's do this.
He wants to win so bad. Mate, are you trying to rinse my tyres so that I can't beat you or something? I thought, what happened to no blazing, Mungie?
They're my tyres. I get to do whatever I want.
You wanted to win on that one so bad, didn't you? You might have gotten me on that second one. You were looking,
I know, see how we go.
looking tight and technical, that's for sure. Yeah, no, it's fun. I'll just walk. I think he's getting a bit salty that I've nailed him at a couple. Never driven the car before, taken him on head to head. He's salty because he just drove off, left me walking. Look at how far I gotta walk. He doesn't like me.
Yep.
Alright, good to go?
Go. Yep. Yeah, that's touched.
Hey, but I didn't knock it over. Did I get deducted on that? So I would have. I think so. Ah, that one felt good. Alright,
The last layouts, the final battle.
our tyres, or Mungie's tyres rather, are almost gone because he blazed them.
I didn't blaze them. Alright, I just used them
Blazed a little
to
bit.
their
He's
maximum
trying-
limit.
He was afraid of me, the competition, so he's handicapped
Bruh.
me by absolutely rinsing the tyres.
Hold on. They're just lambing.
This is going to be the last layout.
this is
right
gonna be
here.
a bakey boy here.
It all comes down to this.
This layout, that's the one. Yeah.
Who takes it home?
I mean, what is the price anyway?
Oh, the prize. We get a prize, mate. What do you get a prize, mate?
No, just mutual respect.
Just mutual respect. Just mutual respect.
Yeah.
Alright. We don't even actually know. Mungie might already be smashing me, or I might already be smashing
Yeah,
Mungie.
we actually
because
don't know the time.
We got no idea of
No
the
idea.
times. Personally, I think I'm winning, but
personally, I think I'm winning.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I don't know.
Looking pretty forgetful out there, brother.
That's just old age.
Let's go do this layout. Mungie Media is out for another one. What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, I'm probably gonna lose because the rear suspension feels.
Probably gonna lose because
The bolt.
I am a great driver. No, I can drive.
I'm the driver that does the driving.
Yeah.
what?
It's not about the car. It's about the driver who does the driving.
Not the car you drive. Drive's doing the driving.
Man, I feel like that one's gonna be a tight one. You're definitely not taking it easy on me, are you, mate?
Nah, man. Go hard or go home.
All right, good to go.
That looks alright.
Two can play the roasting game, Mungie. That was fun.
It looks good.
Fun layout. You want to just drift
Looping,
the
yeah,
whole thing, but you
self-control. Wow.
you come around the last corner and you're.
A little bit, yeah.
We're going to be talking about how I flogged Mungie.
We're back in office.
We are about to get the
We're gonna find
results.
out. Yeah.
It has been over a week and my heart has been beating every night. I haven't
You can
been
tell
able to
he lost
sleep.
so much
I'm
hair.
sweating. I lost all my hair. Maybe Mungie should say a couple more words before we get the results because I just
Why?
I don't know.
No, I don't have to say anything, man. Like, you know, it's all about. I'm waiting for the results. The results
will speak for themselves.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, all right, let's do it.
So of the rounds he did, 5 in total, it was neck and neck, but in the end, Jai won.
Oh,
Yeah.
God damn it.
In your face.
Who would have
I don't need a
thought?
sandbag.
Who would have
You know?
thought? Wow, he beat me in his own car. We'll do it in my car next time and see how it feels to drive an undialed car. It really sucks.
I went in
all
wrong
the time.
direction to help you out.
To show you how it's done.
Yeah.
But to be fair, like, Tali's done really well. But still, winning's winning. So thanks for watching,
This
and
guy.
see you next time.
It just cuts it right there. I see how it is.